A few weeks ago, when Creative Labs shipped me their Outlier One Bluetooth earbuds, a review of which you can see by clicking that card right above, they also shipped me their Metallics Plus Bluetooth speaker. Now, personally, I don't really listen to music out loud via Bluetooth speakers or just normal speakers since either I'm in school or I'm working and I just listen through headphones, but I was kind of curious to try out this Bluetooth speaker. I've had a bit of time with this Bluetooth speaker, and so here are my thoughts. This is a quick review of the Creative Labs Metallics Plus. First, let's go over the specs, which for a Bluetooth speaker is just the Bluetooth version, which is Bluetooth 4.2, the battery size, which is 4,400 milliamp hours, which is actually kind of bigger than most smartphones these days. And finally, the price, which is $30 United States. Now, for the overall design, it looks pretty nice actually. It has nice rubber feet, it feels well built, and overall, it just feels like something that you'd want to use. It doesn't look kind of cheesy or crappy. Pairing with this Bluetooth speaker was fairly simple. All I did was turn on Bluetooth pairing mode on your phone. It will tell you that it's in pairing mode. It has this nice kind of voice guidance thing, and you simply just tap on the speaker, it connects, you're done. Sound quality is okay. I mean, it's a $30 speaker, so you can't really expect a whole lot out of it. It did sound a little bit muddy, and even my mom, who was listening with me at one point, she said, yeah, I can't really hear the vocalists too well. Just, it didn't sound quite crystal clear. And on an iPhone, there's not a whole lot of equalizer kind of adjustment that you can do, so it is pretty mediocre audio quality. However, to make up for the lack of audio quality is the list of features. The feature that might be most impressive is the fact that you can pair two of these speakers as a stereo pair. Obviously, I don't have two of these, so I wasn't able to test that, but supposedly it works, which is pretty impressive. You're also able to take phone calls with this speaker, which I wouldn't recommend doing it all the time, but maybe say you're calling grandma or whatever and the whole family wants to be able to talk to her. This is a great way to do that. You're able to easily launch voice assistants such as the Google Assistant or Siri just simply by tapping a button. You can easily skip tracks or go back a track by holding down the volume keys, which is pretty awesome. So in summary, while the sound quality might not be the greatest, you have this impressive list of features that, in my mind, kind of make up for the lack of sound quality. So if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, not so much for the audio quality, but more just to have a Bluetooth speaker to bring to various outdoor events and things like that, I'd say check the Metallics Plus out. It's pretty neat, and I think it's worth it. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like tech videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you guys later.